stood in the mirror for like, oh, I'll look in here. I just stood in the mirror for like 5 minutes telling myself, you're getting married, you're getting married, you're getting married. And then I got told to hurry up and get out, so here I am.
All my luck for the weekend. We don't always get it right, but we wing it. And we fall right into place like a dream, man. I was giving you my Fridays, midnights, but I was trying to deny that it felt right. Didn't want to tell myself you were my type. Thought I liked it on my own and I was
we gave each other our vows, we're just doing good.
You already did that, so you're good?
Yes.
No, we're not good, but the scripture.
Well,
oh my gosh.
we wrote vows for each other and gave them to each other personally as a compromise. So.
Okay, well, then let me do this.
Sorry to switch it up on you. April Fool's Day.
not gonna fight it, cause it's gonna follow where I go. Not gonna hide it, so I yell into a microphone. Shine a little light in, I can tell it's supernatural. If you can't deny it, shout it into a megaphone. I can always tell it's you with my eyes closed, and I know you're at the end of every rainbow. Oh, you captivate my mind like a light show. Oh, and I can't put it down like a novel. I'll keep giving you my Fridays, midnights. I could dance to your heartbeat all night. Didn't wanna tell myself you were my type. Nowhere else I'd rather be than by your side. They're waving lighters, and we're slow dancing in the dark, holding me tighter. That's what it looks like in my heart. All that I know is I'm not myself when we're apart. I'll let it echo. I'm giving up, I want your love.
Can I kiss mommy? Can I kiss Briauna?
A little, shine a little light, shine a little light, shine a little, shine a little light, shine a little light, shine a little, shine a little light, shine a little light, shine a little.
I told her, I said, do you want to improv? You just go with it, and she was like,